Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix this content isn't available, try again later on YouTube. So if you're getting this error on YouTube, that is video unavailable, this content isn't available, try again later, video unavailable, this content isn't available. So if you're getting this error in YouTube, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to enable disable experimental features in the uBlock ad blogger. So open Chrome and then click on this extension icon and then click on manage extension, and if you have installed uBlock Origin Lite extension, then click on details, scroll down, click on extension options and then go to the filter list, scroll down, under miscellaneous, if uBlock filters experimental is enabled, then disable it and then you can check, and if it is disabled, then enable it and then you can check. This fix has solved the issue for many users, so I hope this will work for you as well. If it doesn't work, then fix 2 is to turn off or remove ad blockers. So open Chrome, click on this extension icon and then click on manage extension. Then turn off uBlock Origin Lite ad blocks, and if you have installed any ad block extension, then just simply turn off them, or you can simply click on remove and then check if a problem is solved or not. Now if still a problem is not solved, then refresh the page until the video loads. So just refresh the YouTube web page and then check if your video loads or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve this content isn't available, try again later on YouTube. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.